Urembo, how are you doing? Welcome to our channel. My name is Priscilla Danu, and for today's video we are going to be achieving this look. I want to show you how I was able to do this from start to finish. To find out more, keep watching. So for this video I'm going to be using a gel liner to work on my brows. I'm going to start with my eyebrows. I've already cleansed, toned and moisturized, and you know that is like, you have to do that if you want good skin. It pays off, trust me. I have seen major improvement on my skin since I started to be serious about cleansing, toning and moisturizing. You know, you can just be busy telling people to do what you know is right, but then skip some days. Yeah, that happens. So I try to be as intentional as possible, and I have seen the results. Anyway, I'm working on my brows using a gel. You can use a pencil, either will do. I just prefer to use this gel for today's look because I feel like gel does not move as much. It's sort of a guarantee. It's gonna stay there the entire time. And my face is it looks a bit shiny. I don't know if you can see from your end, but it's all the moisturizer that I put. I used a green essence moisturizer, and I really like how it's making me feel. It has this natural scent that I really like. It's not so strong, but I can feel it in my skin. Kama venye ukipaka robu unasikianga ikiingia kwa skin yako. It's something close to that, and I really like it. I feel so fresh. Wow. Anywho, let's finish working on these brows. I like how I'm feeling today. I'm feeling very energetic. Yesterday I was so tired. Like I literally just, had to drink coffee for me to do these videos. But today, I thank God for energy. I really prayed in the morning. I was like, God, give me energy. Give me strength for the day. I have a long day ahead of me. I need strength. And I can say that was an answered prayer because I really feel like I have strength. And I've not even taken coffee, though I still will. Yeah, but I'm grateful. I don't know if sometimes you just wake up feeling like, meh, I don't want to do much today. I don't feel like I have the energy for it. Sometimes I feel like that too, but today is a good day. Don't worry, this is already looking very thick, but I'm going to work on that just to make sure that it's all good. I know some of you think that makeup artists, like every day is a good day. No, sometimes your eyebrows just misbehave. They're like, we're not moving, we won't be perfect, and what to do? Yeah, it happens. So don't beat yourself up if you can't just get your brows to be perfect in 2-3 seconds. You have to cooperate because I have to look pretty. This is a look that you can wear when you're going for brunch with your friends. Something bright, alive, bubbly. We are going for that sort of look. But first I'm going to use this brown over here to just blend. I'm using the Fabulosity palette. This shade is Nambi, N-A-M-B-Y. I think that's how it's pronounced. I'll use this as my transition color. Always use a transition color anytime you're working on your brows. Sorry, on your eyes, yeah? Which color do I put next? Let me work with Z on the top part. Every time I'm not really sure what shades I want to use. you know, on the inner corner. I start with everything else and then finish that last. I think with this palette, I like the pigmentation of the shades that are not shimmery more than the shimmery shades. The pigmentation of the other shades is really, I mean, it's really good. This is good too, but the others have more pigment. Yeah, so I'll just blend out the rest of the shades. Make sure there's no line over here. Every time you're dealing with eyeshadow, you have to blend some more. Blending is the order of the day. And I'll be using the black liquid eyeliner. this is how I would do makeup when I'm going to just, you know, for a nice brunch with my friends, a hangout. You know, it's like normal, but then it has that blue, so wow, just removes the normalcy from it. I really like it. You can rock this to a function, a special function. You can wear this if you're meeting your girls. You can also rock this look if you just want to feel a little bit extra. Thank you so much for watching the video to the end. I really appreciate. Like, share, subscribe to the channel if you like the content here. And yeah, thank you so much. I'm Priscilla, and I know see you on another video. Bye bye.